Good morning, my dear student. How are you? Are you fine now? Okay. A warm welcome to our class. Today Miss will teach you English letters. English letters. Okay. All of you take a textbook. All of you take a textbook. All of you take a textbook and open your textbook. All of you open your textbook. Yes. Take your page number 8. Page number 8. Okay. Do you remember the letter? Do you remember the letter? Which letter? Which letter? Yes. A. Okay. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Yes. And. A for and. Which picture is this? A for as. Very good. Which picture is this? A for axe. Next, which picture is this? Yes. A for apple. Very good. Next page. All of you open the next page. Page number 10. Page number 10. Do you remember the letter? Do you remember? Yes. Capital B, small letter b. Yes. Which picture is this? Very good. B for bed. Next, B for boy. Next, B for balloon. B for banana. Okay. Take a next page. Okay. Page number 12. Okay. Do you remember the letter? Which letter? Yes. C. Capital C. Small letter C. Which picture is this? Yes. Say with me. Which picture is this? Cat. Which picture is this? Cap. Yes. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Say. Which picture is? Okay. Can. Very good. Next. Which picture is this? Yes. Cake. C for cake. Very good. Next, take a next page. Do you remember the letter? Do you remember the letter? Yes. Which letter is this? D. Capital D. Small letter D. D for deer. D for yes. D for doll. Next, D for duck. All of you loudly say D for dog. D for dog. All of you take a next page. Okay. Do you remember the letter? Which letter? Yes. E. Capital E. Small letter E. E for engine. E for yes. Say E for elephant. E for say with me. Yes. Elbow. E for elbow. E for yes. E for egg. Okay. Next page. Take a next page. This letter is which letter is this? F. Which letter is this? This letter is F. Which letter is this? This letter is F. All of you loudly say, which letter is this? Which letter is this? This letter is F. Capital letter F. Next. Which letter is this? Small letter F. Capital letter F. Small letter F. All of you stand up and say, capital letter F. Yes, say, loudly say. All of you say with me. Yes, capital letter F, small letter F, capital letter F, small letter F. Okay. F for fish. F for fish. F for fox. F for fox. F for fan. F for fan. F for fig. F for fig. All of you loudly say F for fish. Loudly say F for fish. F for fox. F for fan. F for fig. All of you loudly say. Say with me. F for fish. F for fox. F for fan. F for fig. All of you loudly say. F for fish. F for fox. F for fan. F for fig. F for fish. F for fox. F for fan. F for fig. Which letter is this? Capital letter F. Which letter is this? Small letter F. This letter is capital letter F. This letter is small letter F. Capital letter F, small letter F. F for fish. F for fox. F for fan. F for fig. All of you loudly say F for fish. F for fox. F for fan. F for fig. Okay. Listen. Which letter is this? All of you loudly say. Loudly say. All of you loudly say. All of you stand up. All of you stand up and say. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Yes. Capital letter F. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Yes. Say loudly say. Yes. Small letter F. F for? F for? Yes, very good. Fish. F for fish. Next. F for fish. Next. F for fox. F for fox. All of you say with me. Say with me. F for fox. Next. F for fan. F for fish. F for fox. F for fan. Say F for fish. F for fox. F for fan. Which picture is this? All of you say, which picture is this? Yes, fish. Which picture is this? Yes, say fox. Next, which picture is this? Say with me. Yes, fish. Next, yes, fox. Next, fan. Very good. Sit down, sit down. All of you sit down. Sit down. Okay. Okay. Do you remember this letter? Do you remember? Okay. Do you remember? Do you remember? Okay, very good. Which letter is this? Say. Yes, C. Yes, C. Capital letter. Capital letter C. This letter. Small letter C. Small letter C. Capital letter C and small letter C. Capital letter C and small letter C. Capital letter C and small letter C. How to write capital letter C? How to write capital letter C? All of you look at the board. How to write capital letter C? Start from the top and Start from the top and draw a curve touching the bottom. Start from the top and draw a curve touching the bottom. Start from the top and draw a curve touching the bottom. Okay, start from the top and draw a curve touching the bottom. Have you understand? Have you understood? Have you understood? Look at the board. Start from the top and draw a curve touching the bottom. Draw a curve touching the bottom. Start from the top and draw a curve touching the bottom. Touching the bottom. Have you understood? Have you understood? Yes. Next, small letter C. Next, small letter C. This is capital letter C. This is capital letter C. Next, small letter C. Start from the top, middle. Start from the middle and draw a curve till the bottom. Till the bottom. Start from the middle. Start from the middle and draw a curve till the bottom. Till the bottom. Start from the middle and draw a curve till the bottom. Start from the middle and draw a curve till the bottom. Start from the middle and draw a curve till the bottom. Have you understood? Have you understood? All of you? Okay. Okay. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Capital C. Which letter is this? Small letter C. Okay. Capital letter C, small letter C. Capital letter C, small letter C. Okay. All of you take your rough note and say and write capital letter C and small letter C. Capital letter C and small letter C. All of you take your rough note and write capital letter C and small letter C. Okay? Okay? Okay, very good. Okay, all of you take your textbook and write capital letter B and small letter B. All of you take your textbook and write capital letter B and small letter B. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, very good. Today, wind up our class. See you next class. Okay, bye.